Okay? Meron kaming tatlong colors dito na nakahiwalay dahil see-through siya. So, it depends on you if you want see-through or the rest, hindi siya see-through. Imagine guys, I think papalo to ng 60 shades. 60 shades to. So, 57 are not see-through, 3 are see-through. Abot po puso dyan, sobra.
Yes.
Kahit i-highways mo pa ng bongga. Okay? Later, mag-flex tayo isa-isa. Almond white po. Pakita mo nga almond white, guys.
Almond white.
Ayan ata yung nasa first teaser.
Oo, ito yun.
Almond white.
Pari yung fabric na is makapal.
This one naman, yung suot niya is color white flowy. If you want for the flowy effect, go for white kayo. Ang ganda ng white. This one naman is black 02. Okay. Makapal, ano daw makapal na white?
Si Almond white po. Actually, lahat ng
Almond,
version
ito,
natin. Si Almond 02 and
Almond white 02.